Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Lori. If you're new, thanks for checking me out. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you can subscribe to my channel. So for everybody that has already been a loyal subscriber, I just want to say thank you so much. If you're not aware, I did get braces like 4 or 5 months ago, so I am, struggling a little bit, but I'm just gonna try and do my best anyways. So yeah, I got some Cover FX foundation and products because I have like really sensitive skin, so I wanted to make sure that I was doing proper skincare and using proper makeup so I wouldn't aggravate it or break out and stuff like that. So I did get some really good, just a couple of things, nothing major. And so I want to share with you just my regular everyday makeup routine, something that I would do like just on like an everyday basis if I was just going out and about or whatever the case may be. So I did already wash my skin and I moisturized it. So I have typically like oily skin, but it does like dry out a lot because of my acne medication that I use. I use benzoyl peroxide and I also use tretinoin cream, so it does dry out my skin. But normally, yes, I'm oily. Like I even like was oily. Like it's like about evening time right now, like 5-6 o'clock, and I was already oily. So I moisturize it a lot so that I can like defeat the oiliness or the dryness, sorry. But anyways, so yeah, so since I did that, I'm gonna start with the Cover FX. This is the Cover FX in G+60. It's in the natural finish. I really do like this one. I tested a couple of foundations like the Clinique, like what is it, concealer plus foundation, and it just didn't hold up like with my oily eyes and stuff like that. It started to like break apart, but this one like is able to withstand my oiliness. So I'm going to be using this one for today. So I'm just going to put that all over my skin. I definitely prefer using brushes over a sponge. It's just my personal preference. So now that I got that all everywhere, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take a like I want to contour my skin. So I'm gonna take the Maybelline Fit Me contour stick. So I'm gonna take the Maybelline okay, so I'm gonna take the Maybelline Fit Me contour stick. This is what I use like often to do my contour because it's in a stick and I can just like draw it on my face. And this one is in 355 in coconut. So I'm just gonna put that where I usually do the contour. I notice people like to bring it down like a little bit here. Like in pictures, I notice people like to just leave like a little bit of the lighter area like right in this area. So I'm gonna, that's why I added some here, like over here and over here too, like this area. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the powder. I like to set my makeup, and I got the Cover FX. This is actually a blotting powder, but I'm going to use it as a setting powder because I just love how it goes on. And like I'm probably already starting to get oily anyway, so I'm going to put that basically like all over everywhere. And this is the Cover FX in medium. It's talc free, so that's a bonus. Okay, and I'm just gonna take like a big brush and just kind of like blend everything out. So since this is something that I just want to do like quick and easy, I have my Tartist Tartlet Toasted Tarte palette, and I just want to take something that's really kind of natural looking, nothing too bright. So I'm going to take, this one is Candle, so I'm going to take this shade right here. It's like a shimmery color, and I'm just going to place that just over my eyelid, and I'm going to bring it in a little bit. So you do need to be careful with this one. See, it has a little bit of fallout. Okay. Because some did fall out, I'm just gonna drag it like right over here, like a kind of like a highlighter, like would go where a highlighter would go. So I'm just gonna bring it like over here. And it just adds like a little bit of a shine, like a little bit of a shimmer there. You can always add more if you want. Which I'll probably add just a little tiny little bit with a different brush, because I don't want it to fall out. That other one I had was like a bit bigger, more loose. Now I'm gonna add clear mascara from Maybelline, and I'm just gonna put that over my eyebrows because there's probably some powder on there, and it kind of removes it and makes the eyebrows stay in place. Okay, sometimes like I will add like a little bit of blush, but I'm just staying away from blush, and I'm gonna add some shimmer. This is highlighter, I mean, by Becca. I think this one is in Shimmering Skin Perfector and Prosecco Pop. I really love this highlighter. It's one of my favorite highlighters by Becca. It's like a golden, it broke, but it's kind of like a golden shade. I'm just gonna add it like where you would highlight. And I'm also gonna add a little bit on the bridge of my nose, since I'm not gonna be contouring my nose, but I just want this part to kind of like pop out. And I'm gonna blend it in with a brush. I noticed I kind of have a little bit of like a bump here, probably from one of my pimples. Might not want to highlight that, but it's okay, it's not too bad. So I'm pretty much done. The only thing that I'm going to do now is add some lipstick. I just love lipstick or like lip gloss. So red is like one of my favorite like lipsticks to use. Red and mascara after, but yeah, so red, I'm gonna use this shade. It's like a lip gloss. It's from NYX, just a regular lip gloss. This one is BLG 25 Strawberry Jam, so I'm just gonna add that for today. And I'm going to add mascara today. I'm using L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Curved Brush. And I like this one because it's easy to wash off. Like, you know, when you have like certain mascaras, it's like, oh my gosh, like how am I going to get this off? And I usually have like a really hard time sometimes just removing the mascara. That's like the hardest part to remove for me. So I definitely like to go for mascaras that like you can just remove like with water. Those are like the best kinds for me. You can like look some up, like easily removable mascara. I think they have like different ones online, but when I went to the drugstore, this is what the cosmetologist recommended, and it was easy to remove. All right, y'all, there you have it. I just went and added a nice little cute red dress, some earrings, and I'm all done. So yeah, once more, this was my everyday makeup look. This is kind of something that I go to, just, you know, to make me feel good, just to, you know, have a really good foundation, a really nice base, and really focus on the skin. And yeah, red, pink, that's like my favorite lipsticks. So I really hope that you enjoyed my everyday makeup tutorial. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And all right, take care of yourselves. I'll see you in the next one.